Hello folks, welcome to AJ Charts. So today we are going to paint a beautiful night sky view using poster colors. So I'm using a blue color for this painting. Along with it I'm using white color for the lighter shade and a black color for the dark shade. So now I'm gently mixing blue color with the black one to get a dark blue shade. So I will start applying the color from top to the bottom of the page. So we will apply the color to the 3/4 of the page and remaining 1/4 we will keep for our subject. So as you can see, I have completed painting 1/4 of the page. So now I am gently mixing blue color for the lighter shade and I am blending with it. So now we have completed another 1/4 with the blue color, and now I'm mixing white with it for the lighter shade. So I've started applying light blue color for the remaining 1/4 of the page. So now I'm blending it perfectly, so I can't see any smudges on our sky. So for painting the cloud, I am just tapping the brush on the sky and I'm just randomly moving my brush. So I will draw the cloud diagonally, as you can see. And I'm going to use water to blend the cloud with the sky. So let's now paint a baby cloud beside this. So I am using a toothbrush to paint stars. So for this I am dipping the brush into white paint and I am just spraying the white color on the sky from a safe distance so that we will get the stars, as you can see. So now we will start with the subject using a black color. So I have drawn a line at the bottom, and for drawing trees I will draw a straight line, and above I will give short strokes, and as I go down I will give the long strokes so I get the structure of a pine tree. And similarly I am going to paint all the trees with various sizes, as you can see. So for drawing a bonfire I am using white color Along with it, I'm mixing yellow and red to get an orange color. And in between our space, I'm going to draw a circle for the bonfire. So I'm mixing a bright yellow in it. So for painting our base, I'm just mixing green color with the black to get a dark green shade, and I will completely paint our base with the dark green color. Now just I'm covering the remaining areas that are left between the dark green and our bonfire. So as we know, the fire is close to us, the area beside the fire will glow. So beside this bonfire, I'm just painting a lighter shade of green so that this area will appear near to us. Now I will draw our human subject. So for that I'm just drawing a small circle for the head, and I will paint the upper half body of the subject. So similarly I will also paint the other two subjects. So I am filling the area between the subjects with white color so that our human bodies will pop out. Now I will paint the clothes of the subject. So for the middle subject, I am just drawing the straight lines with the grey color. So for the subject next to it, I will paint his clothes with green color, and I will gradually make it dark for the shadows. And for the third subject, I will keep it as black, but I will make the outline so the subject stands out from the background. So I feel that 3 subjects are enough for this landscape. So I'm going to paint over this 4th subject. Now I'm spraying yellow color with the help of toothbrush above the bonfire to get that fiery texture. and also I'm going to use little bit of orange in it, so we'll get to know the flames of the fire. So this is my final touch up before pulling out the masking tapes. So now I will pull out the masking tapes so that we will get the fresh and clean borders. So it is very important to use masking tapes while drawing. So if you like my videos, just give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more such landscapes, just comment down below and let me know. And to view more such content, just subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates.